Now since I got these fence panels painted, it's time to give some life in the concrete posts. As you can see, they look dull and damped up, not very appealing at all. Now these paint marks were left by previous workers. Personally myself, I'll make sure I do a decent job. And since these posts weren't fitting in nicely in my garden, I thought, hey, it's now time to brighten things up. So I got myself Sandtex Ultra Smooth Masonry paint in brilliant white, which is dirt resistant and waterproof, best for concrete and brickwork. Right, first wipe or broom down any dirt or cobwebs which are lying on the posts. Apply masking tape on each side from top to bottom to protect your fence panels. Now the paint is smooth and will hardly drip like other runny paints do. Use a standard size paintbrush and slowly brush in the paint, working your way up and down. If there are any holes in the posts, apply extra paint to cover it up. So far it's looking good. Now for the sides, use a smaller brush and apply the paint slowly. If you do get any paint on your clothes or on the fence, it can be wiped off easily there and then. Once completed, you should have something like this. Once you get the hang of it, carry on with painting the other posts. So we went from this to this, and it's looking so much better now. A bright white vibrant look on the posts. Giving that extra touch up simply beautifies your garden. This job took me just under 3 hours from start to finish, painting over 15 posts, and I can say I'm really pleased with the results, even in low light to give that white glowing effect. Now if you have concrete posts that are rugged in texture like this, then you need to dig deep with your brush to apply the paint. So guys, I'm happy with the results. I just got to use 1/3 of the 5 liters paint in the tin. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.